everyone! I'm Lily. Today we will learn 5 more important question words. Let's begin. Which. We use which to ask about a choice. Which fruit is sweet? Which fruit is sweet? The red strawberry is sweet. The red strawberry is sweet. Which animal is bigger? Which animal is bigger? The elephant is bigger. The elephant is bigger. Whose. We use whose to ask about ownership. Whose book is that? Whose book is that? Whose book is that? That is my friend's book. That is my friend's book. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? This is my bag. This is my bag. How much? We use how much to ask about amount or price. How much time is left in the exam? How much time is left in the exam? There are 10 minutes left. There are 10 minutes left. How much is this cake? How much is this cake? This cake is $5. This cake is $5. How many? We use how many to count things. How many flowers are in the vase? How many flowers are in the vase? There are 4 pink flowers. There are 4 pink flowers. How many apples are there? How many apples are there? There are 3 red apples. There are 3 red apples. Why? We use why to ask about a reason. Why is the window open? Why is the window open? Because it is hot inside. Because it is hot inside. Why is the shop closed? Why is the shop closed? Because it is Sunday. Because it is Sunday.
Can you write 5 questions using why, which, whose, how many, and how much? Write them in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.